So guys, super weird situation. Basically, I am walking with 3 kilograms of pasta. Tonight, we're gonna be hosted by a family that we met yesterday. We didn't stay with them yesterday because I had an appointment with a dentist this morning. You were probably wondering, are you going to the dentist in Sri Lanka? Why? Bea broke a rib. She thought she had a broken rib. We went to the hospital like 2 days ago. They did like the x-rays and everything is fine. There was the dental clinic inside the hospital, and a general cleaning was something like 30 euro. And in Italy, I will pay that 90. It looked very, very clean and professional, so I booked an appointment with the dentist. Right now, I'm going to the dentist, and then after we take the bus and we go back to the family that we met yesterday, because they're gonna host us for tonight. And for sharing, we want to cook them a pasta, because they never tried the pasta, especially the kids.
Yesterday,
I'm not understanding what is going on. Basically, we hired a tuk-tuk for the day. Then we start talking about food, being invited in his home. So apparently he's phoning someone. I don't know if he's phoning a restaurant or something. Technically, we are going to his home to have lunch.
You have vegetable.
Vegetable. We're gonna buy the vegetables for the lunch in the food to his home, where his wife is gonna cook the meal for us. Shopping is almost done. He said
My brother,
he would let her wife cooking. We just bought the vegetables and we're gonna buy the eggs, I think, too. Anaka!
Brother? Yes.
this water,
Mango.
water, toilet.
So I reckon I have to take a shower. I didn't quite understand what they say. They just gave me this towel and pointed the shower. So I imagine that I should take a shower. They locked me from outside. I can't get out.
Please.
Wow. Chicken. Wow. What's the name? Ah, the big one? Jambolakaya.
Ready.
Nel momento in cui prenderà l'influenza intestinale. This is the dal. This?
Potato.
Potato, manioca. This is okra. Rinja. The green one. And cabbage. And this is like broth. Rasam. And it's made out of what's inside?
Vegetable. It's
this looks very good.
Pepper.
And pan. No coconut.
Vegetables.
With water and pepper.
Pepper. All right.
Very good.
Sri Lankan. Bison curry.
As many Sri Lankan, Insha has a numerous family that lives under the same roof. Even though they have different ethnicity and different religions, they live together harmoniously. That reflects what's basically Sri Lanka, a melting pot of different culture that nowadays live together respecting each other's beliefs. I specified nowadays because back 10 years a violent civil war was taking place. The two sides were composed by the Sinhala-driven government, composing roughly the 75% of the population, and the LTTE forces, battling for the Tamil people's rights, roughly the 12%. Within the group, Sinhalese people tend to be Buddhist, whereas Tamils are predominantly Hindu. Keep in mind that there is also 10% of Muslim. Sinhalese and Tamil are both recognized to be indigenous in the country. However, during the British colonization, Tamils were brought also from the south of India for working in tea plantation. With the resolution of the civil war, now Sri Lanka is a safe and peaceful country. Within Inshaf's family, many women are living and working in Saudi Arabia. UAE, and Qatar. This reflects a general movement that led many citizens to leave the country seeking for better status and sending back home a fair amount of money. During my trip I also encountered many Sri Lankans speaking in Italian. That was quite surprising because they used to work in Italy as a housekeeping or cook.
So we just left with the promise of coming back tomorrow because they asked us to come back for the night. They offered us to stay there for tonight, but we can't stay there tonight. We promised them to cook some Italian food. So tomorrow morning we'll be buying like maybe 3 kilos of pasta because it's for 12 people.
The next day.
Abbiamo finito la pasta. 20. Ne prendiamo 24, 2 kg e 4.
When you're trying to cook pasta with tomato sauce, but the only thing they have is the tomato sauce, but it's actually ketchup. The mission impossible is finding basil. They don't have basil. Because they have to go to the dentist. Dentist. Okay. Bye-bye. Crazy. So since we told him that we are gonna be hosted tonight, so he insisted to host us tomorrow night. So tomorrow night we can sleep in Candy in his bed. Now we have to figure out how to reach the dentist.
Yeah.
Crazy, I must say that the hospital was super clean. Now we have to take the bus and we have to go to Gambola if it is not raining. I'm not sure if we are going in the right city because yesterday we paid like almost 200 rupees for going to Gambola, and now I paid 60 for both of us. So there might be something wrong.
A few moments later.
In fact, it was super weird. That was just 60 rupees for the ride. The bus was correct. The bus was correct, but it was stopping like something before. So now we have to wait for the following bus that will take us to Gambola. Hi, Shop. We're at the railway station. We're waiting here. Okay. Okay, we wait in front of the railway station. How are you? I'm fine. Let's bought onion and like 3 kilograms of tomatoes. So we are doing like tomato sauce pasta. Maybe we'll cook the pasta with the coconut oil. Go.
Cos'è? Cetrioli?
Beautiful. Wow. You sleep here? No.
Sri Lanka tea. Areala. Adai. Vahuta.
That's quite a lot. Technically, we're making a salad with mango, chili powder, and salt. No, stop. And that's pepper. It's quite interesting. It's surprisingly very good. So check the 3 things that you would never put with mangoes. So chili pepper, and salt. Go, and it's actually good. Good.
Very nice.
Yeah. And the most interesting thing is that we are also eating the skin. Okay, it's time for pasta, which of course I'm gonna eat with the hands because they don't have cutlery. I don't know if you can see my eyes and hers as well.
Basta.
The king of the Italian kitchen has arrived. The garlic. We also have the red chili pepper, which might be super spicy. We don't know.
Spicy? Spicy.
So apparently the pasta doesn't fit in that pot there, so that's too much. So now they are mounting a new stove. Now everyone is getting excited for eating.
Bye!
And then happened what I slowly started realizing that afternoon. Eating pasta with a hand. However, when I asked where were the plates, they looked at me as they were not understanding. Of course, I did not consider that we were gonna eat from the same one and on the floor. Will I do it again? Yes. Pasta was actually super delicious, although it overtasted a bit of coconut oil.
The next day.
Good morning. This is the place where we slept. Then we have to go to Dambulla today, so it's 7 a.m. They told us they will drop us at the bus stop at 8. Morning. Good morning. We slept like 10 hours because they forced us to go to bed at 8:30, then to wake up at 8, something like that. So we slept a lot. And I have the feeling that we're gonna have breakfast, but like rice and curry for breakfast. I'm not quite sure, but I have this feeling.
Oh, this is my favorite now. Taccari. Taccari. Strabuoni.
Thank you so much.